You are now able to update your payment information through our online store. This is done through the My Invoices section. You can find My Invoices under your profile name or on the main page of My Account. Once you navigate over, click the settings wheel in the top right corner to access the payment methods. You are able to add, edit, or delete a credit card. If you are in the United States, you can add, edit, or delete an e-check. To add a credit card, click Add Card. Select the type of credit card, add your name, card number, and expiration details along with the CVV number. Click the radio button to save the card as default, or click Save Card. As a reminder, a credit card can be saved to only one customer account within our system. To add an electronic check, click on My eChecks and click Add eCheck. Select the account type and add in the routing number, account number, and check holder name. Click the radio button to save as default and click Save eCheck when completed. Updating these options allows you to pay your invoices quickly online or purchase items through our online store. Thanks for watching this quick tip about the Nobel Biocare online store.